Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny armor and a very fluffy bunny friend named Cottontail, lived in a cozy castle beside a sparkling river. One sunny morning, they heard a tiny sniffle. It was Sparky, a little dragon with scales the color of a sunset. "Hic!" Sparky squeaked, and a tiny, shimmering bubble floated from his nose. It popped with a little ping. "Hic!" Another bubble appeared, this time singing "Twinkle." Sparky looked worried. "My hiccups make funny noises," he mumbled, his sunset-colored scales dimming a little. "They're so loud." Sir Reginald knelt down, his shiny armor gleaming. Cottontail peeked out from behind his leg, his fluffy white tail twitching. "They don't sound loud, Sparky," Sir Reginald said gently. "They sound like music, music." Sparky tilted his head, his sunset scales brightening slightly. A bubble played a high, cheerful ding. Sir Reginald had a wonderful idea. "Let's make a bubble symphony," he exclaimed. He picked up a smooth, shiny stone from the sparkling riverbank and tapped it gently. "That's our first note." "Hic!" went Sparky, and a bubble that sang "boing" floated up. Cottontail clapped his tiny paws. "That's another one," Sir Reginald said happily. They listened carefully to each musical bubble as it popped. Sir Reginald pointed to a tall sunflower with bright yellow petals. "Let's pretend that's a loud trumpet," he said. Then he pointed to a tiny bluebell swaying gently. "And that's a soft flute." Sparky kept hiccuping, and each bubble played a different little tune. Sir Reginald helped him decide when to make a high note and when to make a low note. Cottontail hopped around, adding little tap-tap-tap sounds with his paws on the soft grass, like tiny drums. Soon, Sparky wasn't worried about his hiccups anymore. He was laughing. His sunset scales glowed brightly as he hiccuped happy, musical bubbles. They floated all around Sir Reginald and Cottontail, making the prettiest, silliest song ever. When Sparky's hiccups finally went away, he felt a little sad. "No more music bubbles," he sighed. Sir Reginald smiled. "But we can still make music together." He picked up a leaf and blew across it, making a soft whistling sound. Cottontail thumped his foot like a drum. Sparky giggled, and even though he wasn't hiccuping, he hummed a happy tune. They learned that even without musical hiccups, they could still create joyful sounds together. Sometimes, the things that seem a little bit strange can turn into something wonderful, with a little bit of imagination and help from friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.